Oh, there you go. It's recording now, and you can see. Okay.
But I want to record you.
All right.
Do something. Say something.
I'm trying to put my...
You have to say hi.
Actually, we can show everyone how to do this. How to put your camera on your
You have
helmet.
to say hi.
Hi, I'm putting my camera on my helmet.
You have to say hi.
I said hi. Hi.
You have to say your name after.
Oh, hi. My name's Nelson, and I'm putting my camera, my GoPro, on my helmet.
And today...
What? Are you telling me how to run my channel?
Yeah, it's like this. Hi, I'm Nelson. I am doing some...
Just show here. Yeah. Go on.
You have to say, like, hi, I'm Nelson.
Are you watching this? You have to show them how to do this. Oh, has it gone off? You just tap it. There you go.
You have to say, you have to say, hi, I'm Nelson.
Hi.
Today I am
You haven't even got the camera straight. Is it on me?
fixing my helmet.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm putting this is my GoPro. Can you see it? Yeah, this is my GoPro. I might need to go back a bit more. And I'm gonna, not that much. Can you see that? This is the digital.
Can't really see because of your hand.
This is the sound converter you need for your GoPro.
Can't see because of your hand. Your hand's in the way.
Can you keep the camera still? You can't. For the sound on GoPro, if you want a mic to your helmet for good sound for your voice, you need to get this extra adapter. This is silly. Like, GoPro needs to fix this. Seriously, this is crap. So for the sound for my voice in my helmet, I need to fix this digital big contraption to my helmet, right? So I'll put some double-sided tape here. And I'm just going to stick it. It's got Velcro, double-sided. And then I plug this into my camera. So this is the analog to digital converter for the sound, this thing. And then you need, this is crap. This is by Rode, R-O-D-E. This is the little adapter that takes it from a phone. Can you see that? Takes it from a phone connector, that's the phone connector, to a standard audio connector. You need this onto that. It's like this onto that, onto that, onto that. It's just endless. It's crap. Anyway, so that goes in there, and that goes in there. Now, the way I'm setting this up is I'm going to set it up so I can tuck it into the helmet.
You found your ring.
Huh?
You found your ring.
I found the ring. Actually, I think Mum found it.
She did. We told you yesterday.
I didn't believe her. I thought she was lying. And so then oops.
Stop. Please, Mom.
She's giving me a lesson now. Here you go.
We're doing a video here. We're doing a video here.
Now, what I do is I put this
Stop.
I put this now that I've got that wire there. So then I undo the pads of my helmet inside. There's three, if you know your BMW helmet, there's 3 buttons to pads, right? 3 spots. I undo that, and then now I run this. Now I've got to find a spot in the helmet that I can hook the cable to, right? So it's pulling on it nice and firmly, so it's tucked in. And because yeah, actually this might be an issue because it's sort of sticking out a bit.
I'm just gonna film this.
What? You're not even filming. What are you pointing at? Do you know what you're pointing at? You're supposed to be pointing here at what I'm doing because it's sticking out a bit.
I could see.
And I probably need to run this another way. Let's see. Oh, I know which way. Anyway, you gotta work work out how to run your wire so it's nice and tidy. Actually, no, run it over the top. Ah, I can run it. That's a good way. Look, see? Did you see that? You're not even looking. What are you doing sitting on the floor? You can't even see what I'm doing.
It's you.
Look, here. See, your digital converter here, and then you can run the cable. If you got one of these helmets, you can run. Oh, I just had a genius idea. Look at that. Can you see how that's gonna fit just about in there? Actually, I can run this. Oh, I got an idea. I'll stay there. Did you see that? Are you filming? It's very messy. Is it straight? Alright. Now, I'll use the 20-cent piece to undo this helmet bit here. There you go. Now, what I figured is, you see that fits in there? Look at that. Did you see that?
Yes.
It fit. I'm just excited that I worked this out. It fits in there. And did you see what I did? So I put the connector in there. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Now the trick will be, how do I get it back on there?
I'm just going.
Now, this goes, you gotta be careful with these. This is fragile. It's got a fragile pointy bit. I broke one of these. I broke one of these and then I had to. Sorry? I broke one of these and then I had to pay like what was it? 52 bucks, I think.
Is that money?
Yeah, I've got a 20-cent piece.
And is that for like thing? Is it like from there?
Yeah, from there.
It has to be there too.
What?
It has to be there.
I don't know what you're talking about. So I've got to put. Oh, which way is this? You know, can you have a look here? This, whoever BMW make this, right? And if you look at that screw there, that screw is pointing this way, but the bit underneath is not pointing that way. It's pointing another way. So they're not in line. So it's really tricky because you're trying to line it up with what's down here underneath, and you can't get it to line up. Oh, there you go. So it points. Oh, gotta be careful with this. I busted one the other last time. So that's pointing. So now I can't get it to lock. So I can get it to go straight up, but now I can't get it to turn. Oh, that's crap.
Hey Dad, did you know?
Hang on, I'm busy focusing on this. So let's try maybe on an angle. Maybe I'll try this way. Ah, that way. Okay, I got it. So now I can put this in there. Now I'll try and put this down again. As soon as I put that thing in there, it doesn't want to close up on me.
Looks dusty this one.
I got it. I just got to go further up. Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
I went further up. So now the trick is, how do I get it? Oh, I think it's in there. Now the trick is to seal it and without breaking it. You see I got the wire sticking out?
Yeah.
Oh, I might not be able to seal this. Hang on. Let me try my... go around the other side. It's because I'm using my left hand. I need to be using my right hand. That's what it is. Actually, I don't think it fits. It might not fit. It appears to maybe fit, but it might not. Ah! I did it! I got it. Did you see that? I got it in there. It is pushing it a bit, but I got it in there. Oh, now it's not moving. Oh, that edge. Oh, this is tricky. What kind of filming are you doing? It's all over the place. Anyway, let me cut it short. So, there's your GoPro mount there. Now on this helmet, I've put the GoPro mount. It's sort of on a diagonal. You see, it goes in line with the visor, because you know the visor. When you put the helmet on, the visor will go straight because the helmet kind of bops a bit. So it goes in line with the visor, the mount, and then you can move that however you like. Put the analog digital converter stuck on here with double-sided Velcro. See, that's a Velcro double-sided thing, right? Sticky bit. And then I got the 3.5mm thing in here, and then you tuck the little adapter thing under your I'll fix this up later, in there, and then you run your cable inside, probably through the top into the helmet, and tuck it inside the helmet somewhere, and then you'll stick your mic at the front over here in front of your mouth. You'll stick the mic, tuck it in there, and you can just I've got a little double-sided catchy mounty thing that I hook the mic onto, and that's it. That's the way to set up permanently. There you go.
And you have to say, give us 20 likes.
Alright, give us 20 likes and subscribe and that sort of stuff, and thumbs up.
Bye bye.
Alright.